Yo, 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 it's Mike. Hope you're doing well. We're going to begin on our feet. Starfish. Reach both hands out to the side. Maybe roll your neck clockwise or counterclockwise. Open up the chest. You could look at your left fingertips. Rotate your head to look at your right fingertips. Extended mountain. Reach your hands up. Forward fold. Take a generous bend in your knees. You could try to grab the outer edge of either foot. Gently nod your head yes. Shake it no. Try to look up at your belly button. This video is sped up, so feel free to pause and take your time if I speed through anything. Once you feel complete, we'll move to a low lunge on the right side. Flow with your own breath to half splits, then back to low lunge. On your next exhale, press back to downward facing dog. Excellent work. Low lunge on the left side. Goalpost the arms for this beautiful heart-opening stretch. Lizard lunge. Roll your ankles so your outer edge of your foot meets the ground. Downward facing dog to lizard lunge on the other side. Allow your knee to gently fall out to the side. And with each inhale, imagine that oxygen going straight to your hip, releasing any tension in the gluteus maximus, the hip, and the knees. Once you feel complete, we'll transition to a standing position, starfish. Draw circles with the top of your head. Extended mountain, reach your arms up overhead. On your next inhale, come up on your tippy toes. Exhale, drop it back down. We'll meet in a comfortable seated position. Tilt your head to the right side so that your right ear and your right shoulder are aligned. My neck is very tight, so feel free to give yourself some love if you're in the same boat. Shrug your shoulders. Tilt your head to the left so that your left ear is on top of your left shoulder. Imagine your breath dissolving all the tension in your neck, your upper body, your lower back. Malasana, or yogi squat. Use your elbows to gently press your knees out to the side. Try not to round your back forward, but allow your chest to face the sun. Gently press your hips up and back, forward fold. Back to Malasana.